This little bad boy came yesterday. Charged it up. About 2.5 hours. No, actually, I charged it for 2.5 hours, although it was telling me that it was fully charged in about an hour and a half, maybe. So I used it yesterday, and it did an awesome job. There was a couple of spots. I should have videoed it, but what happened was is that over here I had a couple of piles of sand and some type of debris. Anyway, I watched it for a while. When it finally died, I came out and those two little piles were gone. So I was pretty impressed with that. And I tell you, it's saving me from some back-breaking brushing of the bottom and then grabbing the skimmer and trying to get things out. And I maintain this pool by myself. So maybe this year I'll get to go in it more so than I am having to clean it. Well, so far so good. Second charge here. Ran for the full hour and a half. And yeah, seemed to be working good so far, even though I'm hearing some negative stuff. But you know what? Sometimes we get lemons. I'd advise you not to order off that $47 deal because, yeah, it was like that 32-foot Intex pool that I thought I was getting last year for about 99 bucks. Never seen the pool. Lost my money. So I ordered off Amazon. Overall, I'm pretty impressed.
And when the battery is low, as you can see, it's going to slow down as well, and it won't go all the way to the other side of the pool. It'll just come back when it's right at the middle, and it'll just in turn get stuck, as you can see here. And I've been wanting it to go on the other side of the pool, but it hasn't done that. So I don't know if it's really smart or it's just, I don't know, not that efficient when it comes down to mapping out the whole pool. You have some, really dirty spots. And it's been going around here for like 3 hours. So yeah, you see it's not moving. So it's not really that smart, and for someone who's going to pay over $300 for it, I think you would be better off saving your money and adding more and saving more and just buy something that's more efficient and better quality wise.
Va a hacer un vídeo.
Sí, porque es que mueve toda la mierda.
¿Tú lo has puesto bien?
Sí.
¿Eso?
Sí, sí, solo hay uno.
¿Tú ves? Y ahora se ve.
No limpia bien.
Corre más que mi moto. Mira que venir, mira que venir. Pero sube la mierda para arriba.
So I would say that it's been in there 15, maybe 20 minutes. And I would estimate that it has picked up 70% of what was there. I wish I had taken a picture beforehand. It really looks like it's leaving a lot of fluff behind it. But the pool just looks so much cleaner all of a sudden. It's kind of funny to watch.
Okay, so it's 2:11. I put it in at 136 and it's already out of juice, and did not do a great job at all. So I'm not too impressed overall. And it's there waiting to be picked up. It's out of battery juice, and that was 136 and it's 2:11 now. So not the 90-minute time, not even close.
I just want to give a quick wide look. I just have it in the bathtub, so I put some dirt in there, but it's meant for a pool, but I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick idea, you know what I mean? I just cleaned my little tiny pool I had out and put it away for until next summer. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick live look, and wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or great evening. Thanks for watching my video.
Se ha tirado una hora y media el bicho, una hora y media exacta con su batería. Lleva su gancho para sacarla. Y la piscina la ha dejado perfecta. Pero casi perfecta. Aquí somos muy pocos. Muy contento. Se ha tragado todo el Sáhara. Vaya, vaya.
I know, it's kind of cool looking though. Yeah, it looks like a turtle in there.
Pulpo de toda la vida, de 75 euros. Limpia más que el robot, que ahora no sé ni dónde estará. Ah, está por aquí. Lo único que hace es levantar todo el polvo y de limpiar no limpia nada. Ahí va. ¿Para qué corre tanto? En vez de limpiar, lo único que hace es correr.
Oh my god.
L'aspirateur est chargé. Ça fait le fil fonctionne, mais l'aspirateur ne fonctionne plus. Ça a arrêté d'un coup de fonctionner. Là, il fonctionnait très bien, puis là, ça ne fonctionne plus. À 250 $, 260 quelques dollars, après un été, là, c'est pas normal.
$30 seconds, drop it in.
So it is fully charged. Unplug it. And now when we press and hold, nothing happens.
Pero no recoge toda la mierda que yo pensaba que iba a recoger. Ha recogido bastante, pero... Bueno, ya lo has visto cómo estaba. Pero solo lo deja limpio, ¿eh? ha enturbiado el agua, pero mañana cuando le ponga el filtro.
Ça va trop bien, non? Il y en a deux, mais. Il y en a deux.
Ouais.
Hein?